Welcome back to another episode of Center Station Simulator, guys. I've been adding to the base. As you can see, we took this little center section out here that was like right here, got rid of that, and then I went ahead and squared this whole section off over here. And I've been moving things over as we go, and then I've just been smelting ores like there's no tomorrow because we were lacking a bunch of ores to make stuff. So I've just been replenishing our supply here. So that's got 28 left to do. So basically it does 4 at a time, which over here I got to do 6 at a time. They're about the same speed, I think. Pretty sure they're about the same speed. But anyways, last episode, if you missed it, we unlocked this little area right here. It says do not enter. We entered it, and it gave us a recipe that I can't use. So that was cool. What else? That's about it. I moved everything down here, so all our trees and stuff are down here. I had some bamboo left in here, so let's just drop that bamboo out of there. I made another log storage because I had one on this side that got filled, and we got that one. I've been making wheat for upstairs store. Let me show you what's going on upstairs in the store. It is closed because I logged off, but it looks like we sold we've sold a lot of stuff. All right, that's cool. Let's go ahead and click on number 5. And what do we have left to sell? We could sell some peaches. That'll work. We'll put, let's pick this up. We'll put those right there and drop that. We'll change this to peaches. That would be that one. All right. And then I can just pick this up and we'll just throw that over here. We're almost out of mushrooms. I need to grow some more stuff. That's for sure. But I went ahead and made 3 giant cards. So, because I need approximately $3,500. This would get us close. It would get us a little bit close. It looks like we could restock our water. Oops. Grab that again. Grab this. I've been playing so many games. I got to remember how to do all this. All right, so let's close. Actually, just press G, close that. I went ahead and made another one of these, so now we have 2. You guys told me that I could actually have 4 of these. I only need 2 for right now. So, and then, yes, I made these. We'll probably make some more of those things. I made a bunch of silver of these. Those are iron. And like I said, it looks like we're going to need to start making some more fruits and vegetables. I need to get some of these downstairs. And that's about it. And we're out of flour, so we might make some yellow flour. I did expand the parking lot. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Or turn it on. I mean, open the store. That way we can keep making money. But yeah, we almost have $2,000. Now here, I'll show you what we're gonna try to make. So I need to buy, if we go in here, I need to buy the we have the can manufacturer, right? I need to buy the can filler, I think. Or we go for the juice box manufacturer, right? But in order to get this, you have to have the centrifuge, and the centrifuge basically turns all the stuff into juice and puts it. So I'd need $3,250 for this. Or we just get the can filler and start making cans at $2,000. So one or the other. We'll go see what it takes to make the can filler. Maybe we do that because I just don't know if I'm going to get another $1,300 today. We already have the cans made, so we could actually start producing that like right away. None of this is growing because I didn't water any of it. So let's go ahead and water this again. And I might do a whole section by itself that's just wheat because I think the wheat is a good seller. They tend to buy the wheat a lot. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Put that in here. Drop that. And then let's go ahead and make some more yellow. I'm not going to be able to make much. I can make like 4 of them. Let's grab this. Why does that only have... Is this... Everything is off, isn't it? It literally is. That's weird. Let's take these up there, though. What else did I do? I think that's all I did in between episodes. I try not to do too much. I try to kind of do a lot of the grindy stuff that you guys don't really need to pay attention to. I didn't even clean out the... the mine yet, which is fortunate. So I do have a bunch of these left. So if I put that here... So I have an empty one here... See, yeah, and I do have some wheat here, so let's go ahead and put this wheat in there as well. There we go. And I will pick this wheat here, and I'll make seeds out of this one. So we constantly have 9 going. Here's the coconuts. Put those there. So yeah, I don't remember. See, I was making, we were making more stuff to expand the walls. This is just going through material like crazy. So I think we will make the can filler. So let's go ahead and get, let's go in here. Let's look up can filler real quick. So here's the can filler. It's going to need a main block, which is 10 iron ingot. Secondary block. Ooh, 2 advanced electric cards. Wow. Okay. That's everything else is pretty easy. A conveyor belt and another electronic cards and resource storage tank. Okay. So if I look into my book though, it's probably gonna be into food, right? Can filler. Okay. So it just needs, it needs one of everything. So that's good to know. Okay. So pushing wrong buttons again. Let's go ahead and make these 2 advanced circuits, which was right here, right? Yeah, 2 advanced electrical cards. We'll go ahead and make those, get those prepared. That's going to take me a minute. So we need to make 5 of these and then 5 more. So let's go ahead and grab our little thing here. This is why do 5. This is why I wanted to get a bunch of resources, because these resources here are the ones that I've been making a lot of the cards with. You know what? I'll say, let's just make one. I'll take one off the shelf upstairs. That's fine. Yeah, we'll do that. And then I need 5 of these because I'm not going to need that other. I'm not going to make the other thing. We'll just make this can filler and we'll produce some cans this episode. And then I just need some gold. There we go. And then I'll just take one off the shelf upstairs unless someone buys it while we're down here. And let's take that one, that one, and that one. And I'll drop this and then we'll just make an advanced one real quick. Just one. Grab this, put that in there. Bam, done with that one. So we'll just drop this like it's hot. And then I need to make one more electrical card, actually, don't I? I think that's what it said. Or not advanced. Here, and get rid of that. Delete. I need to just make an electrical card. There we go. Craft. And we'll grab this. And then it's the same stuff. Okay, so grab that. Grab that. Grab that. I need to get more gold. I don't know why I went and got... I think I got the iron because I was planning on making the other item. I just needed one of those. There we go. I was planning on making the other thing, and I saw that it required like a ton of iron. So let's grab that. We'll put that in here. Okay, drop that. All right, so let's go back to our can filler. Can filler. So main block is 10 iron ingots. Let's go ahead and make that since that's no biggie. Here's our iron. I mean, it is a biggie. I mean, 10 iron ingots is a lot, but you know what I mean. All right, drop that. We'll set this over here on the side. And then the secondary block, we need 4 pipes. Okay, we don't have pipes. We do, but they're upstairs. Let's do pipes 4. That takes all plastic. I need to make some more plastic. We'll put this on here. Boom, 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 boom. Done. Do those go in here? Can I put these in here? Yeah, I can. Okay, cool. Put that in there. Cool. All right, so that's plastic. All right, let's go back to the menu. Can filler. Secondary block. So we got 2 electrical cables, 4 pipes. So I need to make 1 more electrical cable because I have 1 in storage. Main components, electrical cable. Let's just make 5 because it's just copper and it's cheap. And I could sell the rest if I wanted to, I guess. All right, and then pick these up. Put them all in there. Drop that. All right, that's done. Let's go back to can filler. So that is everything we need for that. And the conveyor belt is going to need... Oh, we need a lot more. All right, let's just build one of these one thing at a time. All right, so let's do this. Let's craft. I want to make sure I got all this stuff. I need to go upstairs and get the one off the shelf before somebody buys it. Before somebody comes in here and is like, I want the 5090 TX. There, I got it. It's our motherboard. All right, so we got 2 of these. Bink. I just want to make sure. Silver advanced electrical cables and 4 pipes. Yeah, we're good. We're good. All right, craft this. Grab that. Grab that. Pipes. 4 pipe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Electrical cable is 1, right? Nope, 2. Silver ingots. I don't remember how many. It's 4. Okay. And then I don't remember how many iron ingots, so we'll just grab a bunch. All right, it was more than that. Was it 8? Okay, it was 6. Okay, cool. So that part's done. All right, so we got those 2 parts done. So we got the main block done, secondary block done. Now we got to do this part. All right, so or the resource. 6 more pipes. All right, let's do this. I need 6 more pipes. Back to menu, main components, pipes, 5. Let's drop this. Hold on. Ding, ding. We need 6 more. Hopefully I got enough of this. So that, and then I need to take these, put them in here, make 1 more, 1 plastic pipe. And there we got 6 pipes. All right, and then back to this, and then let's go to and 6 aluminum blocks. Okay, let's craft this. All right, and then 6 aluminum, which is the it's the purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's done. That's a cool little thingy. All right, so now we got to make the last piece, which is the conveyor belt. I need electrical card, 2 plastics, 2 electrical cables, 220. Let's do the motors first. Main component 2. We need 2 of these. craft iron and copper because I had these sitting on the floor already. Get that. And then we'll get these up. Put those in here. All right. And then what do we need? Let's go back. Can filler. Conveyor belt. So I need 1 electrical card and 2 electrical cables. Okay. 1 electrical card, 2 electrical cables. All right. So we need 1 card. Silver. Plastic. Ugh, man, we're just gonna have enough. Copper. Gold. Is that in there? Oh, we already had 1. Poop. And we need 1 electrical cable. Or, hold on. Let me make sure I read that right. Unless we didn't make 2 of these. 2 electrical cables. Okay. 2 electrical cables. How many do we have? We have 4. All right. We're good. All right. So I can make this part. Conveyor belt. Let's go ahead and craft this. So I need 2 of these. Nope. We just need 1. 2 of those. Cool. 2 of these. All right. Plastic. I don't remember how many it said. I don't really care. It was 2. All right, that's cool. Put that back. And then I need some iron. Actually, let's get the iron from over here because there's like a ton of it over here. All right, we're gonna put this over here. Restock our pile. All right, so that bad boy is done. All right, and then we just needed, if we go into our book, we just needed can filler needed 4 planks of wood. All right, so we just need to go and grind up some wood. Dang it. Let's grab the wood. We'll run it through here. That'll give us our planks. And I'm going to move this machine over here. Just keep it in line with our food. I just need to, actually need to, can I put these cans in? I can, cool. All right, let's put these cans in here. All right, and then let's put this aluminum in here. And then let's vaporize this bad boy. Destruction. All right, let's go ahead and put this. Let's see, water bottling factory. Nope. Nope. And what was that? The canning factory? Milling machine? Can manufacturer. That's what we were looking for. All right, so I want to put this. Where's the screen? I think it's on that side. So I put the cans down here, and then we'll, yeah, that'll work. Pick this up. This here. Hopefully this isn't backwards. It doesn't look like it is. All right, I can put the aluminum here, cans here. All right, here's aluminum ingots. Cool. That was correct. And here's the cans that are empty. Oh, I can't put them on there. Okay. That's fine. We'll just keep them in there. Let me get my planks. And I need to turn this back on because we're almost out of water. I don't know which one. Let's go ahead and just do the regular one, I guess. Yeah, just do the regular one. We do have $2,300, so we are making money. No one's bought the card, though, because it was $375, and we already... Well, we might have sold it. Now that I think about it, we might have sold that. We can always make another one. Actually, I want to go see. Did we sell it? I don't think we did because I think we would have more than that. Yeah, we would have more than that. Why is there just 1 bottle in there? Cool. I don't have any other bottles, unfortunately. All right, so run back down here. Oh, I need to go buy the blueprint. All right, let's buy the blueprint, and we want the can filler unlocked. Nice. Cool. So now, instead of putting out produce, we can put out produce juice. So I can go over here and go to the can filler right here, and then we can put that like right there. And let's grab here and run that back through there. Let's grab these. Doink, doink. You don't need the sound effects. Those are, I'll leave that up to me. We've got all this good stuff that we've already built. I love how the game is just simple. Like the parts are simple, but yet the machines, you know what they're doing, right? So I love that about this game. And the music. The music's got to be the best music in any game I've played, bar none. If it wasn't for the music, I'd fall asleep playing this game. All right, so this is done. So how does this work? So you put fruit in it or whatever, and these all sell for 20 bucks a piece. So if I take these cans, stack them right there, and then where do I put the fruit? So what do we have the most of sitting over here on the shelf? I don't have a clue other than wheat. Watermelon. Should we try watermelons? Do we have a watermelon juice? We do have watermelons. All right. And then what do where did they go? It just took them all. Oh, that's fantastic. And then I just tell it to go. Craft. It's going to make 4 of them. That's it. Well, that's 80 bucks, right? Yeah, that's 80 bucks. I just want to see this thing work. Does it put labels on them? Oh, check that out. Paste. We made cans. Isn't that cool? Oh. Wait. How many is it going to make? I don't know. How am I supposed to know what that is? I don't know what that is. It doesn't say what it is. It doesn't really even say. I need to increase our garden, guys. I really do. I think we have enough wood. That's not what she said. Okay, let's go and put this in there. Now pick up all these seeds. And then I think, yeah, let's go put this over here. All right, let's pick up all the wheat. So now we're starting to get more into like grocery store stuff, right? We're becoming a grocery store. All those are in there. Grow this. Cool. Click that. And then I need a basket. Where did that crate go? So is that all that it made is 8 of them? Are we done? Are we done here? I think so. So if I took this upstairs, I'm going to need another shelf. Here, we'll just use this shelf right here, I guess. So I do have that. What do you put these on? I don't even freaking know. Shop? Nope. Produce? Nope. Oh, hey, metal shelf. Wait, we have a metal shelf. We have a metal shelf. So I could put this on the same shelf as the flour then, right? Yeah. Oh, it says watermelon when I'm carrying it. Okay, that's cool. Let's put this on here. Oh, nice. Okay. Well, we made some canned goods. So actually, I could take these back downstairs, make a whole bunch of peach juice or not. I can't pick stuff up out of there. No way. This is fun. I'd rather do this because these sell for $8, right? Sell for $8 and those sell for 20. So pick this up and then I can make, let's go over here. Let's click on peach juice. Clementines. I don't even know what that is. I do. I'm just kidding. Peach juice. Cool. We'll give you all the peaches in the world. Bam. It's going to make them for us. Nice. And I think I have more peaches here, right? No, those are apples. These were peaches. I do have more bananas, though. All right, it got done making this juice. So I'm going to take this upstairs and sell it. Put this on that shelf. So we got watermelon, peach. We got flour. I might have to make another shelf. But yeah, I'm going to have to make, definitely I'm going to have to make some more. Can I drop this, please? I'm going to have to make some more, I'm going to have to make a garden section, like for real. Like, we're going to need to make some stuff here. I do need to pick this and plant it in there real quick. Let's look at what seeds we have real quick. So, it really wouldn't matter, right? Oh, I don't have any more watermelon seeds? Oh, shoot. Crap. Crap. Do I not have any watermelons up here? I don't. Man, that was my only watermelon. That sucks. Okay, well, let's see here. And I don't have strawberries. We could make, we do have the clementines. I think these are the clementines, right? Is that a tree? That's going to take a while, though, isn't it? How come I can't grab that? There we go. These are oranges. Here, I'll make an orange tree. Let's just make a bunch of orange juice, okay? Let's just do a bunch of orange juice right now. Here's another orange juice. We'll just plant oranges, sell orange juice. We'll do like 3 orange juice. And then we'll do, what other juice could we do? Apple? We haven't done apple in a while. Let's do like 2 apple juices. Do 2 apple juice. There we go. So that'll be our juice factory there. And then I can make some more of these things because I got another bag here. So I got room to make some more down here. Let's just pick these up and put them back where they were over here. Oh, I got all my seeds. All right, let's go plant these. All right, and then let's pick another one of these. I need one more set of 9. Let's actually go ahead and let's drop this real quick. Oh, why the water reset? Let's put that in there. Hopefully I get a watermelon. Let's grab this. Take this upstairs. We're at $1,000 again. So we're actually making pretty good money. I'm pretty excited about that. We need to make another one of these. I think this was like 10 iron and 4 planks or something like that. It's ridiculous. We can actually look. Go like this. Shop. It was on this one, right? Yeah, it's 16 planks of wood and 4 chassis. It's a lot. I guess that'd be okay to make. That's a lot of wood, though, isn't it? That's a lot of wood. Is there a way to make this better? Do you guys know? Is it in the, is there a way to upgrade that so that I don't have to, like, put logs in it all the time? There's an ore drill, automatic fabricator, saw level 2 is 5,000? $5,000? Come on. Is there just an upgrade that I can buy for it? You guys told me I need to get the automatic sprinklers. Water bottle factory boost. Yeah, they don't have a boost. What does the automatic sprinklers? It's just going to use more water, right? Yeah. What does it take to make those? Just curious. Is it on here? Menu. It's probably under upgrades. Automatic sprinkler. I can't see it. I think it'd be worth it. I honestly do. I think the automatic, because I'm constantly watering those and I always forget. So let's just do it. Let's just do it. I don't think it's going to hurt. So it's unlocked. I mean, it's money well spent. I just don't know how much water it's going to take. So now we have back to menu, upgrades, automatic sprinkler, 1 iron ingot and 3 pipes. That's actually not not bad, is it? All right, let's make let's make some more pipes. Let's make 5 pipes. And you know what? I just realized I don't have any, we're going to go get some coal. Yeah, we're going to go get some coal. So let's go grab, let's turn this. Actually, I'm going to need 8 of these. Oh my God, that's going to take me forever. Let's go grab the coal. And then I'll make me some more plastic. It's going to take me a minute to make a bunch of plastic. I need to clear this out. I just wish there was an easier way to doing it instead of having all the ore fall on the ground, because it's just a freaking mess. I usually come out here and I just break a bunch of this stuff just for fun. Oh, it only holds I brought the wrong one. But yeah, I'll just I wish I could that's the other thing. I wish I could like pick all this up and drop it in the trash can, but I don't even think you can do that because I don't need it all. I don't need, literally don't need it all. So let's throw this in here. I'll put like 10 of them in there. Actually, you know what? Yeah, we'll put the rest in here. I need to make some more charcoal bags. Yeah. What I get? Apples. Figures. All right. So that's all good. That's all good. We could go ahead and make one water sprinkler just to see what it's like. So let's grab this. No, we can't because I don't even have enough plastic. It sucks. All right, whatever. Put this in here. It was only one. It was only one, right? What was it? Back to menu, upgrade, sprinkler. It's 3 pipes, yeah. So we got to make the pipes. So there's another one. Boink. I just want to see how these work. I'm really curious. Spit it out. All right, and then this, I can take these upstairs. We're going to be doing a bunch of stuff here, like all over the place. I do need a bag of sawdust to make more compost. Spit it out. Yeah, I can't wait to get this because this is a pain. Like this is, out of all the machines that we work with, this one's the most grindy. Like legit. There's a bucket. All right, so there's our first one. All right, let's go like this, and then I'll delete this recipe. Delete. Main menu, main components, pipes, delete. There we go. And then we'll go to upgrades, sprinkler craft. All right, I just left them on there. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, and then an iron ingot. Bam. So how does this work? Oh, it just goes on the crop plot. Well, that's kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. That's not. I thought I was gonna do it from the top for some reason. I don't know why I was expecting something different. So I can put that on everything then. That's. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. That's gonna save me some headaches. I just don't know how much water it's going to use. Let's let this thing build up. Need this here. I'm just going to fill these up, and this is done. So let's take this upstairs so we can sell it on the bottom shelf, and then we'll just set this right here for extra. We're probably out of water, I'd imagine. Let's grab a water, and then I need to make probably the red caps. Yeah, they usually buy the red caps more than the other. Did someone buy it? Someone did buy it. Wait, why did... Oh, you know what? They haven't bought it yet. Somebody in this line has it. I was going to say my money hasn't gone up by $375. Someone's going to buy it. Watch our money jump up real quick. We're going to have over $1,000 again. Oh, we're doing the wrong waters. Here, let's just do this. Stop, select, craft those on the shelf. There we go. That's good. I know it's chaos in here. That's how this game works, man. It's like chaos. I don't have any aluminum over here. I do have aluminum over here. So we could potentially make some more cans. Drop that there. Here, I'm just going to put this in here. All right. And then I can get all these. And that'll free up that... that only holds 20. That's right. That'll free up my other cube. So I can go get some gold. There we go. I freeze that up. That milling machine's just going to stay here. And then I need to grab this other aluminum. And then we'll put the aluminum over here because I don't have any other use for aluminum. All right. And then just go ahead and make me some cans, dude. Craft them. Cool. We're going to have to look at our power source too, guys, because we're going to run out of power here pretty soon. Really soon. Has this one got stuff in it? It doesn't look like it. All right. There we go. Okay. So do I have enough to make another water sprinkler? I do. 1, 2, 3. All right. There we go. And then there's 1, 2. Put that in there. Put that in there. And then I need to make another one. Back to menu. Main components. Pipes, craft, bam. Pick that up, pick that up, pick that up. Whoops. Pick that up, pick that up. There we go. And then we'll go back to main menu, upgrade, sprinkler, craft. Bam, bam, bam. Grab one of those, and bam. Okay, cool. So, I'm curious. I'm going to put it on the... yeah, let's put it on the wheat. I want to see how much my water goes up. So we're at 30% now. So it's 5% per. 5% per. Okay. Is there a way to upgrade the water system out here? I never even looked at this. Increase the level by $250. Okay, there is a way. Okay, so I just want to make sure. All right, so and then out here we can like look at what we're doing. What I might upgrade is to a tier 2 motor, maybe. I don't really need these. I'd love to have another pickaxe, but I don't need any of that stuff. I think the motor would be the next logical thing, right? The motor, engine level 2. That gives us a little bit. Either that or the solar panels. This just took a lot. This took so much. This took so much freaking materials to make, though. I think I'll just keep going with the solar panels. I'll do those in between episodes. But yeah, the water sprinkler system is fantastic. And now we have peaches for days. Look at those peaches. Everybody loves peaches because peaches are for free. All right. And then I'm just going to load this up with peaches. Oh, nope. Go like this. There. The peaches in there, and then we have apples, and that's going to constantly keep those watered, which is perfect. All right, that's cool. I like that. Let's go ahead and put this here. Let's grab our cube. Let's pack all this stuff up. We'll take this upstairs. I'm going to make some more shelves in between episodes. We're going to keep selling stuff, keep the store open. I'm running out of supplies, though. That's the only problem. We need to like shut the store down real quick, and then yeah, I need to shut the store down and resupply. Are they buying a lot of this stuff over here? Are they buying our like, canned goods? Not really. I'm running out of this stuff, but I don't think I'm going to need this. I think they'll buy the cans better. Here, let's shut it down. We'll shut it down for now. I got $600. I just don't think the motor is going to be worth it. I really don't. The only thing that I think is if I tear this apart, we're going to get all the individual components out of it, and then the only difference between the two motors, if you look, that's not it. Where is it? Power? There it is. The only difference between the two, like these are all the same. So I'll get all the parts back. It's just making the pistons. So instead of iron pistons, they're silver pistons. And so you gain, but I'm only going to gain. So this one you see is 25. This one's 35. Well, that is 10 though, isn't it? Oil consumption's 5. Oil consumption's 5. Oil consumption. Okay, so that is that. That's actually a pretty significant. 10 is pretty significant. Although I could make solar panels a whole lot cheaper. I thought up here it said that they were, I thought that, yeah, it says that, okay, it does say it's 35 watts. Okay. But a solar panel is 20 watts, and I could probably build that. I'm only going to gain 10 watts out of that, as opposed to a solar panel that gains 20. And what does it take? Solar panels are pretty freaking cheap. The only expensive part about a solar panel is the, like this has just got 2 electrical cards. It's got 1 electrical card. Yeah, these are pretty freaking cheap, guys. I think I'll just go with solar panels. I think that's the way to go. I don't think we're going to need all these motors. If we do, you guys let me know if it's which route to go, but I think the solar panels would be probably the best way to go. I'm going to turn this off, so I'm not using that power. You know, it'd be really cool is if there was a battery in the game where you could store power. I think that would be a cool little concept. I think that'd be a really cool concept, to be honest with you. Let's go ahead and I want to do one more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We could do 2 more. 6. Okay, we can do 2 more sprinklers. Let's do 2 more sprinklers. I just need to make more pipes. More pipes. 5 pipes. Craft. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll pick them up with this one, and then I need to make 1 more. Craft, bam, pick that up. Right, and then we need to make 2 sprinklers. Back to menu, upgrade, sprinklers, craft, 3, 1, 2. There's 1. Drop that. Let's just keep. Man, should we keep it on the wheat? I almost want to keep it on the wheat because we're gonna have a constant supply of flour. You know, it doesn't matter. Let's just put them on here. I'm not. It doesn't really matter to me. We'll just do that. Craft. All right, we might just split them. Right. Do 2 on the wheat, 2 on the peaches. Another one here. Look at that. That's freaking amazing. I really like that. That's awesome. I'm going to make that my screenshot. Or should we make this water sprinklers? There we go. Screenshot. Awesome. All right, guys. I think that's all we're going to do today. We made the canning machine, too. We could probably take a screenshot of that, too. And we got sprinklers done. We're moving right along through the game. I'm going to go ahead and get some more copper. Some more gold, a lot more aluminum, so we can make just a boatload of cans. And it'd be cool if this thing actually just like transferred the cans from here to here, but maybe that's wishful thinking. But maybe if we put them close enough, they would. I don't know. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Smack the like button if you did. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. It always helps out. And I will catch you guys in the next episode. See ya.